serve the people of Kenya. And President William Ruto yeye pia alichaguliwa kufanyia Wakenya wote kazi. Na asiite mikutano hapa anataka kuita vijui pastors. The problems he is facing are self-induced. Alijiletea yeye mwenyewe. How do you have a country of 42 tribes? Then you pick 13 permanent secretaries from your own tribe. And you expect Kenyans to look at you and smile at you. How do you pick another 13 from your deputy president? So you take 50%, and these other Kenyans are paying taxes. People will question, how do you become a president? Unachukua pesa mingi 800 million to renovate your house na maraisi wengi wamekaa. You are causing problems for yourself. Uko na katiba, you want to pick all your friends to give them positions of CAS. And it's not in the constitution. So let him have self-introspection. Ajiangalie kwa mira, you will see where the rain started beating him. And he corrects those mistakes. Na heshimu katiba ya Kenya. Period. Asicheze na hii Gen Z generation. These guys are aware. Wako na internet, wanasoma kila kitu, they know everything. So Bwana President, wherever you are, amuka.